Hello everybody, this is Steven with Cannin.com, back for another technical analysis. This week we're looking at an up-and-comer from up north, from Canada, traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange. This is a Decibel Cannabis. Let's take a look at the pricing chart now. You can see the ticker is DB, Decibel Cannabis Company, again on the TSX. This one might not be on your radar, but it's starting to show some real signs of strength. Definitely still in penny stock territory. You can see they were about 18 cents back in late April. They've since been on a tear, almost doubling, coming back down into the low 30s currently. You can see we're looking at the triple moving average again. So a 20 period is the short, a 50 is the medium, 100 is the long period. So the long period is blue. You can see it's down here. No crosses there. We have had the short-term cross below the red line and then bounce above. So definitely showing signs of strength here with the short-term much higher than the long-term moving averages. MACD is kind of telling us the same thing. Again, here I'll show you that the signal line is again the orange. So we had a cross early May, kind of right before this huge price increase happened, May 5th, and so it was actually before the price increase happened. So had you traded that, you would have ridden this huge, almost doubling of stock price. It stayed above the signal line, really had a strong slope change. Look at this slope change on the 21st of May to the 25th. Really takes off there. That coincides right before this pricing increase. So really on the open of the 25th, it was too late to act there. But we recently had a cross back down on the 23rd of June here, and what's happened since, we've had some losses day after day for 6 candles there. So MACD is really tracking nicely with the pricing chart here, so definitely keep that in mind. The Chaikin Oscillator is also kind of showing us what we want to see. Horizontal movement from the price during this period, horizontal movement staying really close to zero here. We then get a peak right before this little bump here, right before the stock price really takes off. Right after the MACD crosses, we get a high value on the Chaikin, 865,000. So that would have backed up an entry from both of those signals. Then we get our weakness. Our low point came on the 31st of May, right after this little drop. And then we get another positive bump and down where we see this little arrow currently kind of weak, just crossed below zero, sign of weakness there, sign of weakness there. Moving average is not doing anything too exciting right now, so watch what the MACD does. If it does come back down and cross below zero, that's going to be a super strong sign that this stock is going to continue its downward trend. But Decibel Cannabis is doing some interesting things. They are showing up from time to time on Cannin's top 20 hottest stock list, emailed daily. If you don't have that, go to Cannin.com and keep an eye on these 3 indicators, particularly here. I think if we see this short-term 20-period indicator come back down and touch the 50-period, we really are going to think about selling and showing this weakness here. So interesting company, put them on your radar. Decibel Cannabis Company, will they make some sound in 2021? We will see. Thank you so much.